Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. 5 ways to get your child ready for kindergarten screening. 1. Self-care skills. Many everyday tasks need to be taught and practiced. Some of the self-care skills your child may be assessed for include: A. Ability to wash hands on her own. B. Is fully potty trained. C. Can dress after using the potty, including fastening and unfastening buttons, snaps, and zippers. D. Ability to put shoes on by herself. E. Can eat lunch or a snack without assistance, such as putting a straw in a juice box and opening a lunchbox. F. Can put on her jacket and zip or button it closed. 2. Language skills. At the kindergarten screening, your child's ability to communicate, comprehend, and follow instructions will be assessed. Some areas they may look for include a child's ability to: A. Be understood by an adult who does not talk with the child every day. B. Speak in complete sentences of at least 5 words. C. Follow directions that have at least 2 different steps, such as find your coat and put it on. D. Answer basic questions, such as name and age. E. Rhyme simple words. 3. Cognitive skills. Cognitive skills refer to a child's ability to gain meaning and knowledge from experience and information. In kindergarteners, these skills include: A. Classifying and identifying objects by different variables such as shape, color, size, etc. B. Knows how to hold a book the right way, reading preparedness, and may pretend to read. C. Can put together a small, less than 10 pieces, puzzle. D. Can recognize a pattern and identify the next items in the sequence. E. Can correctly identify 4 colors. F. Recognizes their own name in writing. G. Can identify some letter sounds. H. Can count up to 5 objects. I. Can name at least 5 body parts. 4. Gross motor skills. Gross motor skills are actions that use the body's gross muscles, such as those in the arms, legs, and core. Sometimes referred to as large motor skills, the school may look at a child's ability to: A. Run. B. Stand and hop on one foot on each foot. C. Skip. D. Walk backward. E. Throw and catch a large ball. F. Kick a ball in a straight line. G. Walk up and down stairs using alternating feet. 5. Fine motor skills. Fine motor skills refer to the coordination between small muscles, like those of the hands and fingers, with the eyes. These skills include: A. Cut with safety scissors, holding them the right way. B. Fit pieces into a puzzle. C. Hold and use a pencil the correct way. D. Draw a straight line, a cross, a square, and a circle. E. Can draw a person who has 5 body parts. F. Possibly write some letters and numbers, perhaps their name. G. Trace a variety of shapes, letters, and numbers. If you have any concerns about your child's development or are worried they aren't meeting milestones on time, talk with your child's preschool teacher or pediatrician. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.